Hey, in this video, we're going to look at BESTdata and just give a basic overview of how to navigate through the software. BESTdata being a ComTrade viewer, what you're going to do is first open up a ComTrade file, and if it's coming from a BE1 Flex, it might come back in a zip file. Otherwise, it's going to be looking for .cfg, which is the ComTrade configuration file. I'm going to open up the zip, and this way I can open up multiple records at one time, whatever happens to be within that ComTrade file. So I'm going to open up multiple circuits as well as battery voltage monitor, digital channels, and if I select that, it's going to populate them all to my screen. Right off the bat, you can see that you have analog and digital channels that are automatically populated for you. Analog in the upper left, digital in the lower left, and you can toggle those channels on or off if you wish. If you want to turn off individual channels, you can go ahead and do that from the legend over on the right side of the window, or you can even hide the legend if I want to show myself a bigger screen. As I've been playing, I'm clicking and dragging to make this window larger or smaller. I can also zoom in or zoom out with the buttons at the top. If I'm doing the zoom function, similar function, but it will zoom in on whatever I select. I happen to like the pan. Seems to be effective for what I do. In the right side in the default screens, you have channel information, which is going to give you digital and numerical content for wherever I am on those waveforms. And in the bottom right is the CFG. That's the configuration file that's telling you details about that fault record. BESTdata has the ability to pop and drag these windows out. So if I want to show different things, I can move them around. I can organize these windows in any way I want. I can even save that view if I wanted to under the Save Window layout if I choose to. But I'm going to go ahead and drop that back in. That way my channel information's up there. Lastly, what I'm going to show is the phaser screen for this particular video. And if I'm going to populate my phasers, I can scale them based upon whatever channel I want. And then I can see my phasers show up. The last thing I'll show is if I click any of these, I can open a trajectory view so you can see the trajectory of those channels as they roll through the fault record. So extremely helpful to kind of see how a fault initiates as well as migrates through the system as time passes by. So that's the very basic concept on how BESTdata works. I'll see our other videos for extra information. Thank you.